Let's master coroutines. I created this coroutine application called Coroutines Application 2 that contains 3 text views, 2 that we're going to work with, and 2 buttons. 1 for count and 1 for downloading the file. So this is the layout of our application. And by the way, you can download all the source codes from the resources folder under each section. Back to the main activity, I initialized the widgets and create the late initiate var. Also, I created the counter. This application is the upgraded version of the previous application. It's in the similar functionality, but we're going to add more and more advanced topics using the coroutines. This counter is initialized to 0. When the user clicks on the count button, it will increase the counter and display it in the text. Also, when the user clicks on the button, download button, it will go and execute download big file from net function. This function will simulate the counting from 1 to 1 million, and download text will display the result. Let's run our application and see if it will work correctly. The counter, it's working fine. If I click on download file and I am simulating a long running task, click on it and click count, you can see that the UI freezes. Nothing happened until reaching 1 million. And of course, the coroutines application will display an ANR message, application not responding. So this is the importance of using coroutines in our applications. To solve this error, we're going to use the coroutine. So on the count button, I'm going to create coroutine scoop specifying the dispatchers dot main. And here I'm going to move the counter to this. And don't miss to add the launch method. I am going to update the UI using the dispatchers.main. If I run the program now, let me see if the error persists. The counter, download big file, and if I click on count, the UI still freezes and an ANR message will appear. So the problem is not solved because I didn't use the coroutine with the download big file from net. For that, I'm going to use coroutine scoop dispatchers.io.launch, and inside the launch function, I'm going to call download big file from net. Let's run again. Let's try the counter. It's working fine. Download big file, and there is an ANR. We can see there is an error here telling us that only the original thread that created a view hierarchy can touch its views. So I can't update the download text from the IO. For that, I'm going to use the dispatchers.main. Let's run again because the main thread is responsible for the UI widgets and updating the UI widgets. Testing the counter, download the file. You can see also the UI is freezing. What's the solution? We are executing 2 coroutines in the same time, but we are not managing these coroutines and execute them either parallel or one after another. So this is what we're going to learn in the next videos.